Hey folks, JD here, and today I'm going to see whether or not this new modification I've made to this wheel of the Pirates 2, I'm going to see whether or not it's actually going to be a viable repair. Because for the minute, the repair I've done is a little bit shoddy. It'll hold, it'll do okay, but at the same time it's not going to be perfect. So I just wanted to see exactly how it was going to do. So essentially what I've done is, you may notice the right hand wheel as you look at it is essentially kicked in. I've had to alter the angle of this wheel quite a bit. If I bring it forward into a not so sunny situation, so the way that it used to sit, which is straight like this, kept on me, and then every 2 or 3 jumps this wheel would lock out in that position. So what I've done is I've altered the rods, and I've drilled new holes in the plastic so that now it's constantly going to be sat in that particular position. I mean, it doesn't alter its overall speed, its acceleration. It hasn't altered, oh, that's my run cam. It hasn't altered the overall use of the car by the look of it. I mean, it still looks like it's going to run extremely well. It's not, the wheel isn't rubbing the body. It's not causing any issues whatsoever. Other than my driving, and overall though it seems to be okay. So I'm hoping it holds, because if not, then I've got to completely refabricate the right hand side of this truck as I'm looking at it now, or the left hand side if you're looking at it from the front, which is something I'm not looking forward to. So let's just pop this camera back on. So today, that's what today is all about. It's all about just seeing exactly how I can get this truck to respond, if it responds well, which, to be fair, it's doing a pretty damn good job of so far. It really is doing pretty well. I mean, as I said in the first run tests I did of this truck, it's not going to perform brilliantly now that there's a weak spot there. It's always going to break. So what I have to do, let me get out of this wind. As I said at the time, I'm not going to be recommending this at all, but I am going to be using it as a bashing truck and breaking the living hell out of it every single time I bash it, which is exactly what I'm doing here. But it's just that new repair seems to be holding quite well. It really seems to be holding quite well. I mean, this is more bashing, I think, than I have done of the truck. Oh, on your wheels, fella, damn it. But if it works for me, then that's fine by me. Oh, the battery's hanging out again. Oh, I think that was the wheel. Yeah, the wheel snapped. Oh, well, there we are. There's something else for me to repair. The axle of it has completely torn itself apart. Yeah, there we are. Look at that. The wheel has smashed. Totally and utterly smashed. Wow. This thing can't put up with any punishment. So there we go. That's what's happened there. The axle has stayed on. Everything has stayed on. And that is snapped there totally. See, the wheel is just totally snapped. But the good thing is my repair held. So... So my repair held on the front axle, which is absolutely fine. The back axle, oh well, the back axle's fine, it's just the wheel. But yeah, there we are, another repair coming up then. New wheel needed for this. So I think I might have 4 sets of wheels in the house that I bought as a spare for another truck that might fit that. But there we have it, no more running with you today, my friend. You are toast. And that's a shame, because overall, I was enjoying bashing the hell out of that. There we are. Well, there we go. So next thing, let's get that wheel changed. Let's get a new wheel on there. Let's see whether the mounts are still okay. That repair's held, so I'm happy with that. Yeah. There we are, bash number 3. Back wheel's broken. This list is going to get quite long, I think. Alright then, my friends, thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy bashing, racing, braking. Hey!